What is a party without shrimp cocktail sauce? Shrimp cocktail is an all-around party hors d'oeuvre favorite. This classic cocktail sauce recipe is quick and easy to make, sure to please your friends and your family, and sure to please you. Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, and we're going to dive into a classic red cocktail sauce recipe. With 5 simple ingredients, you can have this whipped up on the fly and ready to go in no time. Buckle up, let's go! Alright, so let's hit it. This is a cold sauce, or a sauce served over ice or room temperature, along with a platter of wonderful shrimp. So let's hit it. Start off with the lemon. Go ahead and half that lemon and then squeeze it. We're going to use the juice of 1 full lemon. The red cocktail sauce is a cold or room temperature type sauce. Most people serve it over ice along with a platter of wonderful seafood, specifically shrimp. Okay everybody, the hard part's over, cutting the lemon and squeezing it. Now it's time to go ahead and grab a mixing bowl. We're going to throw everything together. First we're going to start off with ketchup. It can be any store-bought type ketchup. It can be any brand, just ketchup, whatever your favorite ketchup is, go for it, throw it in. We're going to throw in 1 cup or 250 milliliters of ketchup. Next we're going to put in a little bit of horseradish. We're going to use fresh ground horseradish. You can typically find this fresh ground horseradish in the seafood section of the grocery store. The horseradish, it's going to give that little kick to the sauce. So whenever your nose starts to burn a little bit, you can breathe a little bit better after you've had a little bit of a hit of this sauce. This is what's doing it. The horseradish, it adds so much flavor to this sauce and gives it a little bit of power. Next, it's time to add a little bit of W sauce, so some Worcestershire sauce. We're going to give it roughly 1 to 2 dashes of this bad boy. It's equivalent to about 1 teaspoon. Next, to help accentuate that wonderful spiciness of this cocktail sauce, this shrimp cocktail sauce, we're going to throw in a few dashes of our wonderful friend Tabasco sauce. Check it out. There we go. In it goes, my friends. In it goes. Alright, and last but not least, that lemon juice that we started off with at first. Go ahead and grab it, and we're going to dump it on in. So those are the 5 simple ingredients. There's not much to it. It's ketchup, lemon, horseradish, Worcestershire, Tabasco, bam, we mix. And then, my friends, we taste. So check it out. It's coming together really nice. And there you go, my friends. That's how to make a classic shrimp cocktail sauce. Shrimp cocktail recipe with only 5 simple cocktail sauce ingredients. Absolutely simple to make. If you're having shrimp at a party, definitely have to have this classic recipe. Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the recipe. If you do have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe, please do so. Help support the channel. And if you like sauces and gravies, well, there's more sauces and gravies to come. And remember, my friends, to live, love, and make gravy.